What's up, YouTube? Just gonna do a vlog video today. Nothing new on the bike, nothing to review. Just gonna do a little ride, take my son up to the track, but also maybe use a shovel and build a new jump in the field. But yeah, I just wanted to do a vlog today. Gonna talk about a few things, but let's talk about the thing we knew that was inevitable. The police are kind of like cracking down on Surrons around here, at least in this area. My son was riding on this street I'm on right now. I mean, granted, it's not a neighborhood road. It's a kind of a semi-busy road. But as this bike lane, he was in the bike lane and a cop pulled him over and told him he couldn't ride. That he could impound the bike because it's not a bicycle, it's a motorized vehicle without registration. So it's definitely getting to a point to where police are paying more attention and got to be more careful, I guess, of where we're riding on the roads. So that kind of sucks. Like, I knew it was happening just in the 2 years I've had my bike. You know, I was like one of the only, I would say, handful of people that had a Surron around this area. And now I see them everywhere. I see Talaria Triple X's, I see Surrons and everything cruising around. So it's definitely getting more and more popular, which makes the cops more and more interested in doing something about it. We knew this day would come. Like, it's going to get to a point to where it's going to be like riding a dirt bike, a 4-stroke on the street. You won't be able to. If you are, you're going to get dinged. So anyway, just doing a vlog, just going to come up here to the field, ride a few laps of this little track I got going on right now with my son. And then on this one, I kind of want to make a jump. I'm going to dig out a jump from this peak that you can see here, which normally comes right at me, and this is the landing. I'm going to make one that comes from across here and then lands down here. So that's like maybe 15 foot. I'd say a 15-foot jump, but I think that'd be fun, nice and smooth. And then down there, I might make it real kind of a booter or something that will kick me up high. But anyway, we'll do this. We'll just take some laps on this track with the boy, and yeah, if I build this jump, maybe get a couple of jumps on that and then on to the next video. So yeah, stay tuned. All right, so I don't know if my film or my footage got shitty from the last video I tried to make, but I made this new jump from here. So this is the one, but I made this one, which is off of this side of this lip, and that's like 1, 2, 3 bike lengths to this landing, and I measured it out a little over 15 feet. So pretty big, biggest one here I think so far. I made it. I was trying to film. I had a shitty camera that day. My GoPro wasn't charged, so someone came and dumped a bunch of landscaping waste. It's kind of making it shitty, but the idea is to come off of this jump, land here, come around over here, hit this little mound, and make a new landing right here, and then we can continue on some more figure 8 style here. All right, guys, we're gonna wrap the video up there. As always, you know, if you like the video, go ahead and leave me a like. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, it would be awesome if you would hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out in the channel and makes making these videos worthwhile. Leave some comments if you like the content or have any suggestions. I always take suggestions. You know, this area back here, it's been a lot of fun. I've been building these jumps and having fun back here, but you know, with that landscaping debris, and now I noticed this sign over here that it looks like this is going to be developed. They've got some blue stakes out here marking out gas lines and stuff, so this area is about to go away for me, so that sucks. But good timing. I just received a Surron carrier for my RAV4. You know, I don't have a truck and I usually trailer the stuff around, but trailering sucks and I just want to quickly put something on. So look for that in the next video. I'm going to do this a review on this trailer carrier. It's like a hitch carrier, and yeah, we'll see how that goes. So I bought that from this place called Velocity Volts. So yeah, look forward to that, and until the next video, keep the rubber side down.